Now, to get us started, I brought us something very, very flexible. My friend Kika.
Hi, Dr. Chris.
Hi, Kika. Now, you should never try to fold yourself into a box. Kika does this all the time. She's a professional contortionist and a world champion gymnast, which means she has an extremely flexible body, as you can see. Some people are more flexible than others. Pretty much got it.
It's just that I didn't really warm up properly.
OK, Xand.
As you can see, Kika's back is super bendy.
She's able to bend like this thanks to the flexible and super strong tendons in her back.
That is amazing. Thanks, Kika. Come and have a look at this. This is a backbone. Now, this one's from a pig, but it's very similar to yours. These white bits are tendons.
Tendons connect your muscles to your bones, and they are everywhere in your body.
They have to be super strong because tendons are the things that actually move your bones. To show you how tendons move your bones, I have invented this, a model arm made of space-age materials.
Xand, this is something made of cardboard, a bit of string and some straws.
Well, they use all of those things in space. Now, this is the muscle. This is the bone, and this piece of string is the tendon connecting the two of them. Now, when I take this balloon, put it in here and inflate it.
Wow! When Xand inflates the balloon, it's like my muscle contracting, and it pulls on the tendon and moves the bone. Your tendons have to be strong so that they can lift and move your bones and anything else you're carrying. The strongest and thickest tendon in your body is the Achilles tendon. What have I told you about shoes in the lab?
Well, I thought everyone would like to see my Achilles tendon. It's right here. It connects my calf to my heel. Do you know, Chris, your Achilles tendon is meant to be stronger than steel. It's just a shame we don't have any way to test that in the lab.
Well, Xand, I actually have the perfect experiment for this, but we do need to head outside, and you're gonna need this.